Hello everyone, this is Hugo from SSW and the EasyLeave team today for the Sprint 11 review and retro. Thanks guys for coming. So here is, the sprint goals we had for the sprint. At the beginning, we were focusing on managing the public holidays, but the priority changed during the sprint, and we focused on fixing some bugs, especially with CRM and Outlook, and the dates and times in the appointments. That's because of the time zones. The sprint lasted 2 weeks, and here is what we did this sprint. A lot of done, but also a lot of things still committed. We spent a lot of time on those items in there, the public holidays and the time zone hours difference bug thing, but we managed to get some cool stuff done. Gilles, do you want to talk a little about the first one, please?
Yes, basically when we created leave, we had still some problem to sync with the with Outlook and send email, but now everything is working properly. It was a misconfiguration in the appointment, basically.
Right. So now we've got everything synced in the calendar, so it looks pretty good.
Yep.
And so, and the sync is from CRM, right? So the app creates the appointment in CRM, and then CRM takes the lead and creates the appointment in Exchange or Outlook, right?
Yep. Yeah, right.
It's. All right. Next, we've got this one. We added a cool XLS report for accountant gremlins, so they can easily reconcile leaves when they need. So we've got a new page, and it generates a report. So that's pretty nice.
Can we have a look?
Yeah, sure. I can show you how it looks. This is the staging environment. If you go into the report section, you've got this page leave summary, and you can, by default, have a look at what's going on for the current month. So December in our case. If you click on filter leave requests, you've got these lists. So you've got all leaves from all employees, and you can have a look at the dates and the status. And if you click on export to Excel, then it will generate a file for you. Like this one. Looks like I already have one, but let's create a new one anyway. And yep, this is how it looks. So you've got basically the same stuff. The dates, names, the length, the full notes in there, and the status.
Awesome. And you got that test passed by Stefan, right?
Yeah, Stefan approved it, yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Not a fan of the blue in the Excel, but
yeah, yeah, I should have changed that. Next on the list of the cool stuff we've got the calculation of one day leave. Basically, we have a difference between France and the rest of the offices. In France, we work for 7.5 hours per day, and in Australia and China, it's 8 hours. So when we create a leave, it's important to be able to tell how many hours are in a workday. So now we've got the settings for that. It's in the admin section. If you get to EasyLeave in there, you've got this thing where you can change between 7.5 hours and 8 hours. And this will automatically change how many hours are deducted when you create a leave, if you tick the all day thing.
And does that impact the timesheets? Because I know when you enter timesheets, there's an automatic reminder if you didn't enter enough time during the day.
Right.
So not in EasyLeave, but in TimePro timesheets. Is that linked or not?
Not yet, but that's a good point. I think we should create a PBI for that in the TimePro backlog.
Yeah, we probably want to, and then that would mean, I don't know, to be discussed with the TimePro team, but maybe that a setting should move to the admin section, the general admin section, rather than EasyLeave.
Yeah.
Because it's more of a tenant thing rather than just EasyLeave, I think.
Yes.
So if you can create a backlog for them there, that'd be good.
Yeah.
PBI.
Yeah.
Backlog.
All right. That's for the cool stuff. Then we worked on some UI and UX things. Thiago made a lot of feedback. It was really nice. So we have that. We fixed some bugs about cancellation. And then most of the time was spent, like I said earlier, on those two bugs, managing the hours difference because of the time zones when we create a new leave and the public holidays. So that's
Okay.
still ongoing, and we will be focusing on that in the next sprint.
And for the time zone bug, do you have a sort of an idea how you're going to fix it, or are you stuck?
Yeah, we tried some stuff already. Now we are in a state where I think we need to have someone from Australia make a test for us because
Okay.
basically we all have different settings in CRM. Concerning the time zones, like Gilles and I have like UTC +1 because we work in France, but JK has UTC +10 or
Can I try?
Maybe you can, yeah.
Probably my settings are still Australia, so I can check that.
Yeah. Well, we can have a look later if you want. Yeah, that'd be nice. Yeah. And yeah, that covers it for this review. Then for the stats, we created a PBI to create a new report. Now that it's in production, we can have some nice usage stats, and that this will be done hopefully by the end of next sprint, so we can show you the nice graphs and all.
Cool.
Then the sprint retrospective. So in the what went well section, we're happy to see that the appointment syncing is now okay with the calendar and everything. Thiago did a good job with his feedback, and it helped polish the app, so it was really nice. We added some cool new features, the XLS report and the workday length management. Gilles is not working alone anymore since I've come back from holidays, so he's really happy about that. Right, Gilles?
All right, I'm still waiting for the boss.
Yeah.
I'm here.
And yeah, the sysadmin and especially Chris helped us a lot figuring out the problems with the sync, so it was really nice of them to help us. And the flow automation is working perfectly, and we did not even have to touch it, so that's a really good point. Now, in the what did not go so well section, we still rely too much on Lou, and that's especially about the CRM stuff because he knows a lot, and we still rely too much on him. And it can be difficult to reach out to him because of the time zone problems still, since he is working in China. So yeah, we might have to find a better way to handle this thing in the future. Next, Jean, right here, did not come to any daily meeting this sprint. What happened, Jean?
Well, time zone issues.
Yeah,
really.
Always the time zone.
Always the time zone.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Didn't do a great job. Apologies.
That's okay. That's okay. We are not stuck or anything though, so that's okay. And yeah, this time zone PBI is driving everyone nuts, me especially, but I think we are close to finding a solution, so hopefully it will get fixed for next spring. Do you want to add something to that?
No, I'm pretty happy. I'm a bit disappointed that it's a 2-week sprint, but that's a bit of my fault. But yeah, we should really try to make it 1-week sprints whenever we can.
I agree.
And I'm very, very happy that now it's rolled out in production and people are using it. We definitely need to make an announcement. So yeah, if you can draft that, ring the bell, that'd be awesome.
We drafted this email.
Yeah, it's already drafted.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Yeah, we can have a look together if you want. Yeah.
We want you to check it.
Yeah, cool. Well, let's try to get that out this week so we can get everybody on board. And is it working? Oh, now it's working as well for Europeans, right? For us, we can use it now that we've got the 7.5.
Yeah, should be working for us too. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, that's really, really good. Great summary, went super smooth, and I love your new camera, Sugar.
Thanks. Still some weird reflection with my glasses, but yeah, I'm working on this.
Awesome. No, great work, guys.
As always, this will be uploaded in the TimePro YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for joining. It was Hugo and the EasyLeave team. See you in the next one. Cheers.
Thank you.